Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. In this video, I will share about the introduction of budget, the theory parts. As a sign of support, please subscribe, like and share. The content of this topic includes definition of budget, uses of budget, master budget that consists of operating budget and financial budget, and lastly, conclusion. Definition of budget. Budget is a formal written statement of management plan for a specific future time period expressed in financial terms. It is also a detailed plan for the acquisition and the use of financial and other resources over a specific time period. Ini bermaksud, belanjawan adalah satu pernyataan bertulis rasmi mengenai rancangan pengurusan untuk jangka masa yang ditentukan dinyatakan dalam istilah keuangan. Ia juga merupakan perancangan terperinci untuk pemerolehan dan penggunaan kewangan serta sumber-sumber lain dalam jangka masa yang ditentukan. Purpose of budget. There are several purposes of budget, such as planning, communication, coordination, decision-making, controlling, motivation, and performance evaluation. Planning. It requires all levels of management to plan and to formalize goals on a recurring basis. Ini bermaksud, perancangan ia memerlukan semua peringkat pengurusan untuk merancang dan membentuk matlamat secara berulang. Communication. It involves communication amongst the managers for planning and action. Ini bermaksud, komunikasi ia melibatkan komunikasi antara pengurus untuk merancang dan bertindak. Coordination. It facilitates the coordination of activities within the business. It does this by correlating the goals of each segment with overall company objectives. Thus, the company can integrate production and sales promotion with expected sales. Ini bermaksud, koordinasi ia memudahkan penyelesaian aktiviti dalam perniagaan. Ia melakukannya dengan menghubungkan tujuan setiap segmen dengan objektif keseluruhan syarikat. Decision making. The managers choose the best alternative, which is to minimize the cost and maximize the profit. Ini bermaksud, pembuatan keputusan, pengurus memilih alternatif terbaik iaitu meminimumkan kos dan memaksimumkan keuntungan. Controlling as a standard to make a comparison between budgeted and actual activities. Ini bermaksud, mengawal sebagai standard untuk membuat perbandingan antara aktiviti yang dianggarkan dengan yang sebenarnya. Motivation. It motivates personnel throughout the organisation to meet planned objective. Ini bermaksud, motivasi ini memotivasikan kaki tangan di seluruh organisasi untuk memenuhi objektif yang dirancang. Performance evaluation. It is a measure to evaluate the performance of individuals, department and sector. Ini bermaksud, penilaian prestasi ini adalah ukuran untuk menilai prestasi individu, jabatan dan sektor. Same goes to benefits of budgeting. Firstly, plan ahead. Secondly, definite objective. Thirdly, early warning system. Fourthly, coordination of activities. Fifthly, management awareness. And lastly, motivates personnel. The benefit of budgeting, it requires all levels of management to plan ahead and to formalize goals on a recurring basis. It provides definite objectives for evaluating performance at each level of responsibility. It creates an early warning system for potential problems so that management can make changes before things get out of hand. It facilitates the coordination of activities within the business. It does this by correlating the goals of each segment with overall company objective. Thus, this company can integrate production and sales promotion with expected sales. It results in greater management awareness of the entity overall operation and the impact of operations of external factors such as economic trend. It also motivates personnel throughout the organization to meet planned objectives. Master budget. A master budget is a set of interrelated budgets that constitute a plan of action for a specific time period. It's also a set of budgeted financial statements and supporting schedule for the entire organisation. Ini bermaksud belanjawan induk adalah satu set belanjawan yang saling berkaitan yang merupakan rancangan tindakan untuk jangka masa yang ditentukan. Ia juga bermaksud satu set penyata kewangan yang dianggarkan berserta jadual sokongan untuk seluruh organisasi. The master budget consists of two categories of budget. Firstly is operating budget and secondly is financial budget. This illustration shows the master budget is divided into operating budget and financial budget. Operating budget. The individual's budget that results in the preparation of the budgeted income statement. These budgets establish goals for the company's sales and production personnel. Ini bermaksud belanjawan operasi adalah belanjawan individu yang akan menghasilkan penyediaan belanjawan penyata pendapatan. Belanjawan ini menetapkan matlamat untuk jualan dan pengeluaran syarikat. The components of operating budget consist of A. Sales budget, B. Production budget, C. Direct material budget, D. Direct labor budget, and E. Manufacturing overhead budget. Financial budget. Individuals' budget that focus primarily on the cash resources needed to fund expected operation and plan capital expenditure. Ini bermaksud belanjawan kewangan adalah belanjawan individu yang memberi tumpuan terutamanya pada sumber tunai yang diperlukan untuk membiayai operasi dan perbelanjaan modal yang dirancang. Financial budget consists of first, cash budget. In preparing cash budget, it is useful to prepare first, schedule of cash received from sales, and secondly, schedule of cash payment for purchases of direct material. Number 2, capital expenditure budget, and thirdly, budgeted financial position. In conclusion, budget is a formal written statement of management plan for specific future time period expressed in financial terms. The primary advantages of budgeting are that is, first, required management to plan ahead. Number 2, provide the definite objective for evaluating performance. Number 3, create an early warning system for potential problems. Number 4, facilitate coordination of activities. Number 5, results in greater management awareness. And number 6, motivate personnel to meet plan objective. The essentials of effective budgeting are: number 1, sound organization structure. Number 2, research and analysis. And number 3, acceptance by all levels of management. That's all for introduction for budgeting, and we will continue in the next video for sales budget and production budget. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.